Oh no, I need to get this chicken for my girlfriend. Oh man, that hurts. Gosh, quickly, run. She's gonna explode soon. Oh man, this freezer door. So hard to open. Finally. Right. Oh my god, there's no chicken. Oh no, my girlfriend is coming. Save me. Why the heck did you not get me a chicken? I want my roast chicken. Why on earth? Why did you not get me a chicken? Hello, I am Chicken and I have come to resolve your conflict. What? Oh my god. What? Oh my god, it's a chicken. You're kidding me. I want to eat you. Give me. No, come back. Come back. Come, please. Come back, chicken. Please. Good. Oh my god, yum. What? Oh my god. Thank you for watching.